So as you can see, this is from a band called, band. This is from a band.
Apologies make lousy parachutes.
Welcome to the Lone Wolf Garage. As you can see, I am very close to the camera. Why am I this close to the camera? Because I am hoping that you might actually be able to see all the scuff marks all over these Ray-Bans. Why are there scuff marks all over these Ray-Bans? Because they're 10 fucking years old. So these Ray-Bans have actually had a pretty good run, especially considering that I got them for free. Found them at a bar that I was working at on Cinco de Mayo back in 2012. So yeah, they've been around for quite a while. So what do you do when you have a pretty expensive pair of frames that have some scuffed up lenses in them? So the first thing that I did was I looked up to see if there were replacement lenses for this particular set of frames. This set of frames actually still had the serial number on the inside of the arm here, which made it so I could actually look them up. And it turns out that the replacement lenses are about 110 bucks. That's just a little bit more actually that I'm willing to pay to replace these lenses. So I went hunting on Amazon, and I found that there are other companies out there that make replacement lenses for this exact pair of frames. And I figured, I've got Prime, let's give it a shot. And here they are. First thing we gotta do is we gotta open up the box. What do we need to open up the box? The right tool. So these lenses are from a company called Ikon Lenses, and I got the 4181 black and gray replacements, which are supposed to be identical to these. I considered getting some like maybe silver mirrored or gold mirrored ones just for fun, but until I know how the build quality is on these, I figured I would go with the least expensive ones and as close to what I have in the frames for comparison's sake. So the next thing we gotta do is we gotta pull these suckers out. Oh, I got some lipstick or something. Oh, cleaner. I got cleaner with it. Here are the lenses, microfiber cloth, more cleaning supplies. So here's the right lens. Let's see how close they are. From looking through from this angle, these are just a tad lighter. I think it'll work though. So now I gotta prep my sunglasses to put the new lenses in, which means taking these old ones out. So as I've been told, just a nice little push from the back gets one out. I'm gonna do one at a time so that I can actually put them on and compare. Let's get the microfiber cloth out and clean off my greasy fingerprints. All right, moment of truth. Side-by-side comparison. Original lens in the left-hand side. New Ikon lens in the right-hand side. I will be honest, I can't tell the difference. They actually seem to be the exact same amount of darkness. I do have a bright light shining in my face, and it seems to be blocking that equally. So, cool. So the other thing is that the new lenses are polarized. The old lenses that I had in here were not polarized, which was kind of annoying to me. I kind of prefer to have polarized lenses in my sunglasses, but you know, these were free and I've had them for years, so I can't really complain. Let's get the other one in. Give a nice cleaning. Get in there deep. Yeah, get in there deep. All right, let's put these old ass Ray-Bans with brand new Ikon lenses on for the first time. I look fucking cool. All right, so I gotta be honest. for the price of these replacements, which was like $32.90 or $33 with taxes and all that kind of crap. It was totally worth it. Great deal. Yes, I could buy, I don't know, 4 or 5 pairs of crappy gas station sunglasses that are Ray-Ban ripoffs and not give a crap about them, probably lose them. I've had dozens of them, literally dozens of them over the years. I know that all of you riders out there aren't all about wearing sunglasses when you ride and looking as cool as I do right now, but I don't like tinted visors. I don't like drop-down visors. I've never worn a helmet with a drop-down visor where it actually came far enough down. It always just hovers like right in my eye line, and it just annoys the frickin' piss out of me. So I like sunglasses. I also like being able to open my visor and let all the air in that I want. All of it, all the air. That's not for everybody. That's what I like to do. That's how I like to ride. But if you have a pair of Ray-Bans and you're looking to replace the lenses, I highly recommend just doing a little searching on the internets, the interwebs. Take a little time when you're, I don't know, on the toilet pooping, doing that instead of, reading crappy Twitter and all the crazy news that's going on in our world. But yeah, so I got Ikon lenses. Good reviews off Amazon. Came pretty quickly. This actually did not come Amazon Prime, but it still only took like 3 days. This is another one of those things where this is an initial reaction. This is not a review. I'm gonna have to wear them around, go riding with them. The quality seems good. They are not as thick as the old lenses. These are actually very, very thick and sturdy and substantial. The new ones are weighty, but they're nowhere near as weighty as these sunglasses. Actually feel a lot lighter on my face, which is actually kind of a plus in my book. They were a pretty weighty pair of sunglasses, but when someone's paying $150 for them, not me, because I found them for free. I would hope that they had some heft to them. Yeah, I can't wait to get out on the bike and rock these under my helmet and go for a ride. I think that I will be cruising around in the truck or in the Taurus before I'm on the bike again, as it is frozen outside and there's just still tons of snow and it hasn't rained yet, which means that the chemicals and salt hasn't been washed off the roads yet. If this week we get a nice rain and it's like 35 degrees outside, I'm gonna try to get out there and try these bad boys out, and all the other crap that I've done in the garage over the past 3 weeks that I haven't been able to test. Shakedown rides are nice, but when it's freezing, that doesn't happen. That's too cold. So there you have it, folks. Ikon polarized replacement lenses for this pair of Ray-Bans. Hope you liked this one. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. If you didn't, keep on trucking. And I'd love to hear what you guys think down below, especially any of you folks that may have actually replaced the lenses in your sunglasses yourself in the past. Maybe give me some insight into the longevity of these replacement type lenses, whether they were Ikon or another company. And if you have not subscribed, do it! Rock on.